An egg a day keeps the heart doctor away, according to new research. Consumption of chicken eggs and products based on them is useful for cerebral vessels. Only one egg a day is enough to reduce the risk of stroke in the elderly people by 12%. This information was given in a study conducted by American scientists. As the researchers note, eggs contain antioxidants that lower the level of oxygen pressure on cells and suppress inflammatory processes. In addition, these products are an excellent source of proteins that reduce pressure in the vessels. The scientists made their conclusions based on the results of the analysis of 7 studies on the effects of various foods, including eggs, on the health of the heart and blood vessels. Egg consumption was associated not only with a decrease in the likelihood of stroke, but also the development of coronary heart disease. The risk decreased by 10%. However, what about cholesterol? The egg yolk contains a lot of cholesterol, but its level in our body is affected by saturated fats, not by the eggs themselves. Cholesterol in foods and in blood is 2 different things.
Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start.
Cholesterol, which we get from food, can be both harmful and useful. It all depends on how you cook eggs. If you eat a boiled or steam omelet, cholesterol obtained from the yolk will turn into a healthy one. And if you fry eggs in oil, and even with bacon, then it is bad. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods in terms of content. They contain a lot of protein, vitamins A, D, B, and B12, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote vision strengthening. It is not necessary to abuse eggs. Like any other food, they have a lot of protein, and its excess in the body creates an excessive burden on the kidneys. However, one recent study has shown that eggs also help the liver not only block the production of low-density lipoprotein, a harmful kind of cholesterol that clogs the blood vessels, but also contributes to the production of high-density lipoprotein, a useful cholesterol which positively affects the health of blood vessels and heart. You should remember that in order to maintain heart health, scientists recommend adhering to the Mediterranean diet, more vegetables, fruits, nuts, dairy products with a lower proportion of fat, various cereals, fish, and chicken. It is also worth limiting the amount of red meat and sweet carbonated drinks.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.